What's going on? Martial Arts Thoughts here, and tonight, we're gonna learn your first technique, which is the front snap kick. This is the first technique that I learned whenever I joined martial arts. So let's get to it. Now, with this kick, what you don't want to do is try to kick too high. We're not worried about how high anyone can kick, nor how fast you can kick. We're learning the technique. So we're gonna keep it waist level, and from there, I will demonstrate it on the heavy bag after we learn it out here. All right, so let's start. Feet shoulder width apart, hands up. You wanna put your right leg slightly back. Be sure to pay attention to where you place your foot. Knee up, extend your leg out. Place your foot in the same spot, all right? 2 more times, knee up, extend out. Place your foot back in the same spot. 1 more time, knee up, extend out. Nice. Right back in the same spot. Perfect. All right, let's switch legs. Same principles apply. Ready? Knee up, extend out. Place your foot back in the same spot. Knee up, extend out. Foot right back in the same spot. Good. 1 more time. Boom. Nice. All right, so I'm gonna demonstrate it on the heavy bag. Now, notice I'm not trying to knock the heavy bag out of the window, okay? We're focused on understanding the distance of our kick. All right, understand the distance of your kick and placement, accuracy, all right? If you cannot do it fast, you can't do it slow. I don't want anyone to get caught up in wanting to kick too high, too fast, too hard right now. Let's focus on obtaining the technique, and I promise you, all of that stuff will come once you learn that technique, all right? But you see, I'm just placing my foot there. Now, this is your front thrust kick. Boom, okay? Knee up, just like the front snap kick. And this time, it's like we're kicking the door down. Knee up, bam. It's like we're kicking the door down, okay? Try it out, boom. See? Knee up, extending out every time. You wanna work on that accuracy. And you see how my foot lands in front of me, because there's so much force behind it. So trust me, it is okay to place that foot in front of you whenever you're complete with the kick. Now, let's take it to the heavy bag. And notice once more, I'm just placing it there. You see how that affects the bag there? I don't have to kick the bag out of the window. We just want good technique, okay? I'm gonna do it a little more hard now. That's all it takes, all right? All right, we're gonna switch legs. Boom. See how slow I'm taking it, you know? You don't wanna rush anything when it comes to martial arts. You wanna learn the proper technique. Bam, and fire it off. Now, this is a drill that I like doing. You just go down, place the foot. I like doing this drill because it just makes me focus on what I'm doing with every single part of my body. And as you do this drill, you can feel your balance adjust as you continue to do it, okay? You can just hit your front snap kick, front thrust kick, okay? Down and back, and do this as many times as you need to. There are some times where I'll do, 10 down, 10 back, 20 down, 20 back, whether it's front snap kick or roundhouse kick or a combination of kicks. All right, so that was our first mini lesson together. So I hope that you enjoyed that. I want to do more videos like this, walking you through certain techniques and demonstrating them on the heavy bag, as I stated earlier in this video. And next, I believe we're gonna have our roundhouse kick paired with the back fist. So I'm gonna actually work on extending that lesson in making it more personable and more intimate than this one. However, I did enjoy doing this for you all. I look forward to making many, many more videos. And now you have 2 kicks to start off your martial arts journey. Front snap kick, front thrust kick. There you have it.